Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Good morning ulit. Okay, mas mataas po siya, pero mag-compensate po sa lanaw yun.
So, will I still lead by more than 1 a.m.?
More or less, it's not advantage, ma'am. Parang ganon din ang lalabas.
It will not be less than 1 a.m.?
Pipilitin mo natin niya, pero as of the other day, it's 9:02.
Kaya nga eh.
And then, if we can get more in Lanao.
Hindi mo matapos?
Hindi pa ho. Mayroon pang darating na 7 municipality.
Okay.
Sige po.
Okay.
Dito po makikita, pwede tayong kumuha ng batas para hindi na maulit itong nangyari. Bakit po? Ano nangyari? Can you imagine, in the year 2003, the Department of Agriculture released up 1.5 billion for GMA. For 12 months, 1.5 billion for 12 months. In the year 2004, the Department of Agriculture, through Mr. Volante, released 3.8 billion pesos in 1 month and 10 days, 30 days before the election.
Mahalagang hindi inihandog ng may pusong wagas sa bayang nagkukok, dugo'y yaman dulon, katiis at pagod, buhay mayabuting magkalagot-lagot ang nakaraan, panahon ng alim, ang inasahang araw na darating ng pagkatimawa ng mga lipin, liban pa sa bayan, saan tatangan?
The name of the first gentleman to yet another scandal, prompting the resignation of Philippines' top election official and testing the ties that bind the administration coalition.
16 billion pesos. Babayaran natin ito ng mga taxpayers, you and me, our children, and our children's children.
Benjamin Abalos was known to have traveled unofficially on several occasions to China. According to sources, City Corporation paid for the hotel.
Lupang tinubuan, kayong nalagasan.
To my detractors,
ng
I am back.
bulaklak.
You should be ashamed of yourself for peddling lies to the public while I was away.
Nanilantat sukat ng balabalakid, makapal na hirap, muling manariwat, sabay ay lumiyag, ipakahandog-handog ang buong pag-ibig hanggang sa may dugot, ubusing itigis kung sa pagtatanggol buhay ang kapalit. Ito'y kapalaran at tunay na langit, aling pag-ibig pa